Introducing EVOS AeroSport Build-DC Ceiling Fan. Crafted with precision, the fan consumes only 31 watts, saving up to 60% energy. Feel its powerful airflow with aerodynamically designed blades and a remarkable 385 RPM speed. Its bi-directional rotation adapts effortlessly to all seasons for year-round comfort. The fan's remote control with advanced modes offers personalized comfort. Experience the whisper-quiet performance for unmatched peace and comfort. AeroSport comes in 5 exquisite colors, each one tailored to complement your home's unique aesthetic. The fan's 5-year comprehensive warranty ensures complete peace of mind. Upgrade to the EVOS AeroSport Build-DC Ceiling Fan and elevate your experience with technology and fresh hues.